welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and definitely click those bell notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload. As you guys see in the title, I'm definitely doing a room tour. You guys been asking me where I get certain items in my room, and also y'all been asking for a room tour. I also want to touch bases of my theme of my room and like color scheme so you guys can like probably understand it more, if that makes sense. So my color scheme, I would say, is white, black, and then I have like accents of red. And then for my theme, I would definitely say my room is retro theme. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with like early 2000s looks and 90s looks. Also I have like parts in my room that is like glam, you could say, and also the vaporwave aesthetic. And I don't want to make this intro too long, but I just want to throw this out here. I just want to say thank you guys for 3K. We gained 1K subscribers within a week. Y'all are amazing. I love you guys. Definitely want to give an update about the big announcement that I mentioned in my last video. I'm definitely going to postpone it to 5K because it's more of a milestone and we're growing so fast. So I definitely want to just wait it off for a little bit, but it's definitely going to still happen, and I'm just postponing it for a little bit. That's all I gotta say, really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know y'all been waiting for it, and let's roll the clips. Alright y'all, so this is the door that you come in when you enter my room. On the left, you'll see this huge wall filled with vinyls. I got all of my vinyls from Goodwill, I believe. Each Goodwill carries vinyls, but as you guys see, there's like hints of red within the vinyls, and also I have some white ones. Then below the vinyls, you guys will see my body mirror. Hey, there's me. But I got my mirror from Walmart. I'm hoping to get a bigger one soon, but it's not a priority right now. So behind my mirror, you guys will see I have like my camera boxes, like batteries, my SD card reader, and all that stuff. And on the left of my mirror, I have this makeup bag I got from Forever 21 some time ago. It just carries extra makeup that I don't really use. Then I have this makeup cosmetic type of case. I got this from AliExpress, and it just holds all my eyelashes. Yes, y'all, I know I have a lot of eyelashes. I have an addiction problem. I'm sorry. So in the purple bag, it's this birthday gift that came in late for my friend. It was off of Etsy. She loves Tyler, the creator, so I picked up this candle off of Etsy. If you guys want the link, definitely comment down below and I will definitely send it to you guys. Now on to my dresser. I got my dresser when I was little because it came with this twin bed set, but of course I grew out of it, so I don't really know where this dresser is from. As shown in a previous clip, I do have like this underglow type of look underneath my dresser. I just used these fairy lights that I got from TJ Maxx some time ago. Now onto my dresser, we're going to start with this jewelry holder. I got it from TJ Maxx. It's gold detailing with these butterflies on it, which is super cute. I separate my jewelry from gold to silver. I don't know, it just seems more pleasing. On the bottom of the jewelry holder, I just have my big earrings like hoops and stuff, and then I have a watch, and also resting on the side I have my house key and then my working stuff. Now underneath the jewelry holder, I have this clear acrylic container which I got from TJ Maxx, and then next to the acrylic container I have my makeup palettes, and this is the one that I normally use on a regular basis, and then these other two I just do like experimental makeup looks with these. Now back with the accent of red, I have these fake red roses which I got from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3, and I just like sit them up on here because I feel like it gives a glam type of look. And also the vases from Dollar Tree. Now I have another acrylic container. I got this from TJ Maxx also. It just holds my brushes and stuff like that. Now I have this small vanity mirror which I got from TJ Maxx, and it has 3 settings. This is the highest one, which is show now, then there's a low one, and then off. Now on the left of the mirror I have my hair products, including my hair ties, and then in front of my TV I have my remotes. Normally I have a chair in front of my mirror, and I got this chair from TJ Maxx. Next to my dresser, I have this white trash can which I got from the Dollar Tree, and behind this chair that I'm about to show you, I just store extra art supplies in there. And now this Loft lounge chair, you can say, is in the color brown. It looks black. I don't know where it's from, but it just sits in the corner of my room. And believe it or not, this red little accent pillow is actually a comforter. Moving along, I have these two huge windows in front of my room, which I love. But below the windows, I have this avocado pillow, which my boyfriend gave me. And then in that brown box is some Crocs from my best friend I need to ship out. This is my school bag, even though I'm virtual all year. And then next, I have this banana leaf plant, which my grandma got me for my birthday off of Amazon. I'll definitely put the link in the description if y'all need it. Now this is my white bookshelf. I got it when I was little, so I don't know where it's from, but on the top of my bookshelf I have this acrylic holder which holds my spray bottle, brushes, and combs for my hair, and I got this from TJ Maxx. And then I have my cheerleading trophy I got when I was little. And then moving along, this is my favorite decoration in my room, which is my vintage retro landline telephone. I got this off of eBay. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably seen this in one of my pictures. And then I have my instant burner, which is like a yin yang type of design. Now moving on to the first shelf, you guys see I have all of my books. I normally read poetry. And then I have this picture which one of my closest friends, Anissa, you guys probably already seen her on my channel before. She gave that to me on my 13th birthday. And then in the corner I have this box with like fragrant lotions and perfumes and stuff that I just keep over here. On the second shelf I have these two black containers which I got from TJ Maxx. On the left I have my curly hair products, and then on the right I just keep like hair accessories and also like shampoos and conditioners. Now on my third shelf I have Mancala, and then on top I have this red and black purse which like holds like memory things. I know some people have memory boxes, but I have a memory purse. And then in this white plastic bag, you guys see I have just hair dye. I don't know why it's on this shelf, but it is. In the golden box I have nail polish, and then on the side I just have yearbooks and like important papers. Next to my bookshelf I have this outlet. Normally my laptop is plugged up in there, but I have my iPhone, and this takes us to the bed. And for my comforter, you guys see is white. My nana got this off of CVS some time ago. And for my sheets, I got this in a comforter set which was from Ross. For my satin pillowcases, I got these from TJ Maxx. And for my throw pillow, once again, Anissa, she got that for my 13th birthday. Now for my headboard, I got my headboard and my bed set from the dump. Now y'all been asking me nonstop where I got my tapestries from. I got them off of Amazon. Definitely look in the description for the link. The size that I have up in my room is in the size large. Now on my other side of my bed I have my slippers, just so when I roll out of bed I could put something on my feet. And then for my bed skirt I got that off of Amazon also. Then I have my nightstand. On the top I have water and my medication, my alarm clock, my LED light remote, and also my phone. And then on the second shelf I have my magic 8-ball. I want you guys to ask it a question. I'm just going to shake it up for you guys and show y'all what it says. And what it says is without a doubt. I hope that's good. But anyways, carrying back to the video, I normally keep my camera up here, so I have my Canon lens just so my lens doesn't get scratched. And then also I have my backup batteries. On my third shelf I just have all of my school items. Now you guys already know this setup. This is my YouTube setup right here with the clothing rack in the background. But anyways, you guys been asking me where I got my clothing rack. I got it from IKEA, and I have the one with the shoe rack so I can like, you know, store things underneath and on top. But normally this is what my clothing rack looks like when I'm not filming. I have like my everyday jacket, my work shirt, and then like outfits I need to take pictures in, but I haven't because of the weather. And also I got these hangers from TJ Maxx. And then I have my ring light in the corner. I got that off of Amazon too. And then for my phone stand, which this takes my pictures because nobody takes my pictures, I got that from Amazon too. And then my LED lights, I got that from Amazon as well. On top of my closet, I have this little thing me and my boyfriend made for our anniversary, and this takes us into my closet. You guys see the little hook thing that goes over my door? I got that from TJ Maxx. And I'm not going to give you guys a deep tour within my closet, but here's an overview look. Now there's a wall next to my closet, and I just put all of these album covers which came with those vinyls. If you guys remember the vinyl wall, I have this white hamper which I got from Five Below, and then in the black bag it's just my ring light things and also that tripod. And then that takes us back to the door. So that's the end of my room tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye loves.